Hi Mark.
Hey Dhruv, this is Dhruv who runs our Islington office.
Thank you.
And today we're having a guided tour by the master of this fabulous house in Canonbury in Islington.
Thank you. Come on through.
So you've just taken this on, I think, haven't
We
you?
have. We have just taken this on. The sellers have lived here for 17, 18 odd years. And since they bought it, have done fabulous job of keeping it. It's a very loved home.
It is lovely. We have had a look round. It's Georgian, Grade 2 listed. I think it was built around 1840, wasn't it?
That's right, yes. I think there was a bit of bomb damage on the street and then they were subsequently built again.
So a really lovely road, actually.
Yes.
Shall we start in the kitchen? Because it was really nice down there. So I'll start you off with one of the nicer bits. It's all very nice, but down in the kitchen really is lovely, isn't
It's where you eat and host, don't you? So it is.
Yeah, you sort of congregate down here as a family, and the flow works really well. Maybe, shall I do the kitchen bit, Dhruv?
The kitchen is through here. I mean, you've got the gas cooker there, storage under the stairs. Won't show you that, but your washing machine and dirty laundry can go in there, including dead bodies if you've got a few.
And it's very nice that you've got these French doors out to a little courtyard garden at the front as well. So really nice for a coffee in the morning, because once you're sitting there, it's actually quite private.
Yeah.
Lovely fireplace, tiled floor. I think there's underfloor heating here as well.
There is underfloor heating here, and you will see it's in the back as well.
This area works really well. So there's a little breakfast bar here, which I noticed, which is really nice.
Yes.
The WC, I love that it's split level here.
So they dug this down.
Did they?
They did, to actually create enough height space, because 10
Oh,
used
yes,
to be...
I see. Oh, genius.
Yeah.
Yes, of course. So just to create this extra bit of space.
Exactly.
That works really
Under the
well,
stairs.
doesn't it?
And you get a full
otherwise
storage cupboard there as well.
You'd be banging your head all over the place, wouldn't you? But
Yeah.
really nice and lovely with the steps, just to delineate the area. I do love this feature. Do you mind if I do the honours?
Absolutely, go for it. Yeah, go for it.
There we go. So, there you go. You can stick the kids in here, close the doors, and forget they ever existed.
But keep an eye on them.
But keep an eye on them, because the drinks are in there as well.
This is the favourite room.
It is stunning. I mean, the artwork helps, doesn't it? That's lovely. And you've got these beautiful double glazed patio doors into the garden. In fact, on that point, they've double glazed the whole house.
They have, yeah. They fought with the council, tooth and nail, to get it done.
I don't know how they do it. It's Grade 2 listed. That is double glazed with framed sash windows. So they don't come cheap.
No.
But so it's good to go for another 200 years.
Yeah, absolutely. They are.
Extraordinary, isn't it? The original windows would have lasted 200 years. We won't go out to the garden yet, but I love the flow through to the garden. It's fairly seamless, isn't it?
Yes. And
there are these lovely skylights, which are just letting light flood through. It's really bright area.
The architect that designed it, the idea was the inside-outside living space, which is why you've got this landscape garden, which is not a complete one flow, so you can create several different dining spaces and atmosphere.
I see how that works now, actually. It's very cleverly done. And now you say it, I can actually visualise how you'd use it. The view from the upstairs window over the garden is lovely. You can't maybe quite see it from here, but it's beautifully landscaped and laid out. And, spoiler alert, there is a self-contained annex at the back. I suppose you'd call it an annex, because it's basically a one-bedroom flat in your garden.
With its own underfloor heating.
With its own underfloor heating, pretty handy when you're stuck out in the garden. And so maybe you can stick the kids down there.
In there, yeah. Again, forget
anywhere
about
you
them.
can get rid of them.
There's quite a few places.
Yeah, well, yeah. The cupboards. Better check there are no
this
kids in
little
there.
one
I
down
guess.
in there, yes.
A lovely room, I have to say, and that view's probably quite nice as well. The lighting works really well.
Yeah.
And do you want to lead us upstairs?
Let's do that, yes.
Yeah, let me follow you and you can back up at the room.
Yeah.
These stair lights are a lovely feature, and it's a solid wood staircase,
yes,
which is lovely. This is a really nice feature.
The window there, yes.
Yeah, and I think the view from this room is probably better.
A lot better for the garden to see, yes. In the
Right,
area.
in you come.
Okay.
Close the door so we haven't got any obstructions. I'm not locking you in, Dhruv. A lovely drawing room.
Yes.
So knock through, you've got double aspect windows, so you've got light streaming in from south and north.
Yes.
Facing
South, north.
south?
That would be south.
That's south.
Yep, that was
That's
south
north.
that way.
Okay, so but a really nice room.
Yes.
Two lovely fireplaces with gas fires.
Yep, that's right.
So that's going to be super cosy, especially with these beautiful double glazed sash windows, wood framed, with
shutters.
oh, maybe I won't open that. It's clanking a bit. I think that's the bit that sort of locks it.
Locks it in place.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but won't do that. So really nice beast radiators, solid wood flooring, very nice indeed. Alcove cabinetry. Tricky word,
Yes.
Cabinetry.
Cabinetry.
Yeah.
New word I've learned today.
Is it? Oh,
Yes.
Okay. Not one of my easiest pronunciations. So, what shall I lead on?
Yeah,
we got.
after you. Oh,
so,
thank you.
how many bedrooms? There were 3 bedrooms.
So you've got 3 bedrooms upstairs. The parlour room is now an ensuite bedroom.
the parlour room. Oh, the powder room. Oh, the powder room. Oh,
The
very
parlour.
good. Oh, actually, on this point, this is very good. What a great use of a landing. So you've got wardrobe in there.
Yeah.
And
Be careful of this step.
it's great. The principal suite.
Yes.
It's the entire floor. It's just a really, really nice room. That's a nice feature I hadn't noticed. So just behind you, Tony, you might sit better from over here actually. There's a bookcase with concealed lighting, but that's a nice touch, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then we got
Down there, you've got the underfloor heating in the bathroom, dressing area.
yeah, dressing area.
Yes.
Very nice.
Going into the shower room and have a lovely view of the back garden.
Well, my wife would commandeer that in a jiffy. I don't know where I put my stuff. So that's a nice view out the window, I think, Tony. You got that. And
And you've got fitted cabinets just there behind the glass window.
right, so upstairs, I'll let you,
Yeah,
I'll let you
upstairs
go.
we go. Mind the big step that's here.
So we got, mind the step, Tony. Already gone.
Up here we've
Gone
got
upside
2 other
down.
bedrooms and a full bathroom. The bathtub that you see in there is the one that came with the house, and when they were refurbishing it, they decided to keep it as is. It's a feature from what it was before.
Well, I'm amazed you said that, because that looks like a very, very nice bathroom. Well, it is a very nice bathroom.
Yeah.
But the fact that it's 18 years old is extraordinary, because it has not dated at all. So we've got 2 bedrooms up here. And
2 bedrooms up here. This is
Great.
the smaller one, this is the larger one. You get the view of the church, St. Paul's Church. I think it's from there.
maybe we
Yeah.
could see that. And our bedroom
Through here is the other bedroom.
with the dreaded flickering light.
Yes.
So
I currently use it as an
halogens,
office.
the extraordinary thing, it's
Yeah.
a nightmare for filming because they're always flickering, but a lovely
And the view of the garden from here.
Lovely room. Yeah, let's have a look at that as well. It really is lovely. And actually, it's back framed from those beautiful houses at the back as well.
Yep. And down there is Newington Green with all the cheese shops and boutique restaurants.
Yeah, we will talk off the area, I think. So, but just while we're up here, I saw in your details there's an enormous loft up there which is fully insulated. It's got a ladder. So if you're wondering where to stick all this stuff.
Yeah.
Up
there with the kids, yes.
It is very cool. Maybe they're up there. Right, so, well, let's head back down and we'll show you the kitchen and the garden room, stroke annex, stroke granny.
The annex at the back, the granny room, yes.
So, Dhruv, do you want to just tell us a little bit about the area? I think this road's one way, so it's actually very quiet. And you're in the Canonbury Conservation Area, I think, aren't you?
That is correct, yeah. We are in the Canonbury Conservation Area, one-way streets, a lot of LTNs around, a couple of lovely private schools in Canterbury. You're also not too far from Highbury and Islington Station. But most importantly, and my favourite place has to be the cheese parlour on Newington Green, which is a few minutes walk from here.
In fact, you used to live a couple of roads up, so you know this area like the back of your house.
Absolutely.
So if you're selling your house,
most of it,
you're the man.
Yes.
Well, where else would you go?
Exactly.
Winkworth in Islington, Bollywood Way. Winkworth have got over 100 offices, and they are one of the top dogs. Well done.
Thank you.
Well done. Seriously, guys, they have an amazing team. Catherine, your area manager, extraordinary, plays cricket for England.
Yes.
Semi-pro footballer.
Yeah, she's...
And a climber. what a lovely, lovely lady she is. So any excuse for another view of this beautiful room?
Yeah.
And then
this was made for us, I think, with our colours. Yeah.
Garden. There's some water features out here as well. I don't think they're working.
You have well.
Maybe they do work, but they're just not working. At the moment.
So this is part of the landscaping. It's a little water feature which helps water.
Oh, look! It trickles down, doesn't it? So it starts there.
Yep.
There's a little canal thing.
There's a little fountain.
And it trickles down. They're using it as flower borders at the moment, but that would be very nice.
Yes.
So it would be a circular pump, I guess.
That's right.
How lovely.
The fountain starts from here.
There's nothing nicer than the sound of trickling water in the background. This garden is lovely. I love the birch trees at the back, silver birch.
When I came to see it, we sat down here and we talked price.
What a perfect place to do it.
That's exactly where buyers need to sit down.
No pressure. It's like,
No.
How much? You're signed.
Yes.
Oh. So there you go. So it's not just the annex. You've got the storage area at the side as well.
That's right. Yeah. The storage. Funny story about it. When
is it funny, Dhruv?
Well, this used to be the kitchen.
What?
Yes.
Oh, for this.
So when they were refurbishing the house, getting the entire thing gutted out, they lived in here. This was the kitchen.
Okay, nice.
This was their bedroom, and that's their bathroom.
Yeah.
For months on end. And they will tell you this: when they finished, they had a big party in the house with all the builders. Everyone passed down here, stayed the night, and that's how the house was cushioned afterwards.
Oh, very nice. That's a very nice story. And that's why this is so nice. So they've laid on the underfloor heating. They don't want to...
They knew they had to stay here for months.
Squalid. That works very well. Right, so we decided the view of the back of the house is beautiful, which is why we're finishing here, isn't it? So I guess if we sort of walk down... Which way round are you going to go, Tony? Shall we? You're going to go through the bushes, okay? So, we're everywhere. So it's quite funny. We were down here and the bell rang. And this guy comes to the door
is.
and he goes, I was just wondering if your house is for sale because it looks nice, I might want to buy it. And I recognised him from Instagram. He's a local estate agent.
Right.
Trying to tell your business.
I know, can't believe it. And it's a
Cheek
good
of it.
house, yes.
It's like there's anybody better to be representing the client
you.
anyway, which is inconceivable. Dhruv, it's been an absolute pleasure, and
Thank you.
I think it's one of the first times I've met you.
Absolutely.
It's been an absolute joy.
Thank you.
What a beautiful house, what a fabulous, fabulous office and team you've got.
Thank you very much.
And as we have already covered off, this is fully available, so if you want to look, tap up Dhruv at our Islington office, and make sure, if you're not already subscribed, if you are, thank you very much. Are you subscribed to my YouTube
Please
channel?
subscribe. I am, absolutely.
You're not.
I am.
Are you?
I am. I absolutely am.
I wondered who it was.
Since Kramer Street, I think.
Oh,
yes.
that was a great house. That was
Yes.
a great house. Catherine smashed it. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave a lovely comment about me and Dhruv. Primarily
Mark
me.
for sure, yes.
But leave
How
a nice
awkward
comment
was I? Yeah.
because that was fabulous.
Thank you.
It's tricky, isn't it? But you
Perfect.
have done one of these before, I think, haven't you?
I have. I've done it for New North Road. I think it's on our Instagram
Is
channel.
it?
There, yeah.
Oh, you are a
A
natural.
bit different. Well,
Very good.
that's too kind of you. It's
So anyway, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.
yes.